good. Oh, buddy,
Got him.
There you go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got myself another day fun fishing here from the cancellation. Still got some trips on the calendar open, not too many dates left, but give you guys a shout if you guys want to get out and hit some fish. So gonna be floating, scanning today, casting some crankbaits. You guys stay tuned. It's pretty tight water, so some close-up drops. Let's go get them. Got him.
Hey. That's a red bug.
Look out, Drew. I'm coming through.
That'd be dope.
That's another buck. My hands are all wet, dude. I can hardly open the fish.
I think so.
Well, guys, that's one of many from today. It was pouring rain today, so we had to put the camera away. It's my birthday, so I got a little luck going for me. I think that's 7 or 8 that we stuck today. And that's the first one I've lost, so a bunch of good bobber downs coming. Here comes the rain again. Oh my God. Got him. Come back.
Insanity out here today, guys.
Watch this.
That's so big. I gotta try to get a double.
Timber fish.
Go. Alright, guys. I'm gonna try to drop one now.
Well, guys, I don't know how many is on camera today and how many isn't, but there's been no shortage of fish. That is for sure. Don't know what's in this intro either, but I got some open dates left, so you guys want to rope some fish. It's been wild today. It should stay like this for a while, so leave my mom on the screen. Give me a shout. I'm gonna turn this frisky fella free. I think I can shake them up.
Got it. Let's go. Let's go. Mama, I think. Yep. Just had to go deeper. Let's go. Stay on there. Stay on there. I'm coming, buddy. We're on, guys. See if I can actually land a fish on camera today. Been an absolute stupid beatdown today, guys.
Off to the right, you're way under there.
I didn't see it there. Hold on, she's coming in. She's gonna meet you guys, don't worry. Whoa! There we go, guys. Finally landed a fish on camera today. Absolutely insane day today, guys. Big fat, skinny munch of mama. Don't get much better than that.
Can I see
Could buy a little cooler and throw them on some ice.
Oh, get it, dude! There's your mama.
Yep. You filmed that?
I think so. I filmed it. It's just not 100% if it's steady.
Like 0 for 3 on confirmed females today, so.
A lot of pressure on the scoop, guys.
Oh, I'm hurt. Come on, tie your out, dude. Oh. Woo! Thank God.
Hey, baby. Baby got dunked like a truck.
Well, guys, with the day fishing that we've had today, I'm smoked. It's about time for a buffet and come back out. We were just about to go get some lunch, hit a buffet, and come back out for an evening fish. And I got the eggs that I needed, something horrible. Stinger hook came in clutch on that one. I don't even know what to say. I know this, I'm smoked though. I can hardly hold this fish up, so I'm gonna get her on the rope.
Oh, buddy, got him. There you go.
I just have to change the angle. Got her out. Yep, she's out. Yep. Come on, man. This one might be a second, boys. Come here, big mama. Is that not ready? She's right here. Oh my gosh, you just won't move, dude.
There she is.
Yep. That's a big one.
That's a big one.
This rod is like cracking.
Cord brick?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, this is a real one, that's for sure. Yeah, one of them days. That's just a monster of a fish. Like I legit cannot move her on this rod. Like I can't do it. That's a slot. Yeah. Like, I'm maxing this rod out, and she won't move.
Giant, guys.
We're talking with a mid-20s all day.
We're about 5 minutes into this fight, guys, easily.
I'm using my girlfriend's Salmon glass, actually, because I shattered my pin rod. And I've got this thing maxed out, can't move it.
No!
What?
No!
What? What just happened?
What just happened?
I don't know. Tell you what, I ain't upset about it.
She didn't come out.
I thought it broke.
That sucks.
That was a big one.
Got him.
This feels female-like.
That's looking a little doggy.
Also feel like it. Oh my, that's a big one. It's a fresh one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going crazy. Ain't that big?
No?
I don't think so. That ain't a bad one, no. Well, alright guys, there it is. I don't know what number this is today. How many we poked before we landed. It's been pouring rain most of the morning, so haven't been able to do a ton of filming, but ain't a huge fish. That was a fun one though. We're gonna turn this guy loose here. Just took a couple bites of pepperoni and a little mustard to turn him back on, so I hope I don't run out of pepperoni before the day's over. I'm gonna turn him loose and go get another. Let's go. I bet you got that one through.
Uh-huh.
That fish gone.
That was a hang
Yep.
too.
Everything, guys. Did a pretty poor job filming today. We stuck a lot of fish off of camera, but Brooke snagged the bobber down for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying that.